Testing, 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 testing. Testing, 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 testing. All right, we good. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading stocks and futures. Today is Friday, May 1st. It's a new month, man. May 1st, 2026. We're finna get on into these charts, but before we do, y'all know what we gotta do. We gotta get our prayer in. It is Friday, man, so we're gonna get this prayer in there. Bless us to finish out this week. All right, bow your head. Dear Lord, we come to you today, Lord, just saying thank you once again for allowing us to see another day. Thank you once again for allowing us to make it through another week. We just want to give you the praise and glory, Lord, for being who you are, being ahead of our lives. Continue to watch over us, continue to have your covenant over us, continue to show love, mercy, and care towards us, Lord. No matter how wrong we do, you always there. You're just like a parent that never leaves their child, Lord. You there no matter how many times we may disobey, disrespect, or not honor your name the correct way. You're always there in our corner and always got open arms. The Lord, as we go into today, enter into these charts, I ask that you give us patience, give us discernment, give us courage, give us bravery. Let us be able to execute the tools and knowledge that you have provided for us and given to us, Lord, as that we uh, use our abilities to the best um, that we can and for good, Lord. I ask that we don't allow greed to take over, fear to take over, or none of those bad qualities to do so. Just because it's Friday, I ask that we don't be over anxious, that we be able to keep composure. If we do get a little bit more anxious and in the moment, as that we recognize it and calm down. Um, Other than that, as that we have a wonderful day, no matter if we win, lose, or draw, that we be grateful for the opportunity and continue to learn. All these things in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was looking at these charts. I was ready to go long an hour ago. I wanted to go long an hour ago. I wanted to go long off of this hourly candle. I was looking to go long, but I was like, hey, I gotta wait till the string. I gotta wait till 8:30. But we definitely would have caught this nice move. We caught a nice move yesterday. I caught um most of this drop, most of that drop. Where was it? Was it? It's right here. This right here. I caught probably like right here, midpoint of this drop. I took all the way down to them lows yesterday, and then I ended up catching it coming back up. So yesterday was a real good trade day. Earlier the rest of this week though, I'm gonna be honest, y'all probably seen on the stream, y'all probably like, dang, Key been on like a 3-day lose streak, bro. I've been losing the past 3 days, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Well, not past 3 days, because yesterday I just we had a good green day. But man, we was on the dang we was on the front of the count. I ain't gonna lie. One of the funniest, we blew that mud. We blew the front of the count. So we had bought Tossa had a sale going on with the day loss limit thing. It's full transparent for y'all. We just bought it. We up 790. Um, Hopefully that day loss limit thing keep us good. Cause I'll be honest, I went on a little tilt, bro. Cause we were down 300. The last stream y'all seen, we were down 300. That next day I took took some more trades, but down another 300. And I was like, bro, ain't no way. And then Wednesday came, and I was down 300, which was fine because I still had like 1,000 left, but I just kept going, bro. And it get the best of it all sometimes, And all I needed was one more day for payout, so it is what it is, man. So we right back on another combine account. We're gonna have to get this mud passed, and we're gonna have to take our time with it. Don't try to rush on that last day to get a big trade, okay? All right. But going into today, we got 4 minutes left before market open. Let me check the news real quick. But looking at the daily, I'm gonna just tell y'all right now, our buy is supposed to be bullish. It already did what we wanted it to do. Overnight it had took the highs of the previous day candles. So technically market did what it's supposed to do. So at this point we at the hands of whatever the market want to do today. I was hoping that we gap down or something, so we were able to take it up today, but it's okay. Okay, we got PMI 8:45, 9 a.m. PMI, and then ISM at 9 a.m. So we got some nice big hitters coming through early in the market. We might have to be patient a little bit, or maybe just trade with one or two micros at the most for right now. But yeah, looking at that daily, man, we was so bullish, right? But that was crazy because we dropped so hard in the beginning of the day that you would have thought we was finna switch bears, and then it just climbed its way back up throughout the day. But we in a full fledged uptrend on this daily, man. We got high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So if you just follow this uptrend, you've been straight the whole time. You know, like only thing that made it difficult, and that's probably why it was difficult for me too, because it was like um if you look at this uptrend, we had high, low, boom. We supposed to wait on the first green candle to go long, right? Well, the first green candle was right there. So if we didn't take that B trade when it first switched, broke past its high, you pretty much missed because it pulled right back down, you know. Then you wait on this first green candle. Here it go again. You got in, you got a little bit of green, but then it came right back, did a pullback, and that what got us Monday. We was looking for them longs, and it just came right back down for the pullback. But it possibly can do the same thing today. Now, because we just made a new high, if it end up closing red, I'm gonna do that pullback. But if it closes past this high, I expect Monday to continue going higher, okay? Unless we gap down, that's it. So, but like I said, looking at the hourly, it switched to an uptrend right here. We got high, low, higher, high, okay? Got the high, low, higher, high, yep. Using this bottom of this red as that stop loss. But as of right now, like I said, it's pushing. We weren't able to get in. I wanted to get in. I'm telling y'all, I wanted to get in so bad. I wanted to get in so bad when I seen it at 7. Well, at 8. Was that the 8 o'clock candle? Yeah, this is 8 o'clock candle. I looked at it and I said, bro, this is an uptrend. I want to take these loans back to the highs. Because I didn't see no gaps or nothing in the way other than this daily high. That might could have been a target, but ain't no other gaps on the hourly in the way. So it should go back up to that high. I'm thinking, but we'll see. Because like I said, we got a lot of news. Going to that 5 minute though. I don't know what that is. What is this I got on? New drawings are replicated. I don't know what that was. We're going to the 5 minute. It's in the uptrend on the 5 minute, so we can sit behind the 5 minute uptrends. Probably what we do once this market open. Here we go. Market is open. Gonna let it try to pull back some, hopefully. If it goes straight up to that target, it is what it is, man. Want to see some type of pullback. Give us some type of pullback to get in. CB on my line. Oh, it did close past these 1 minute highs. It might just shoot straight up. Might shoot straight up here, y'all. We could go one kind. Let's go one kind. See if it goes straight up to the target. And that's another thing I'm starting to do now. We taking target hits. We taking them target hits, or we trail super tight once it hit the target. Alright, it hit target. I'm saying stop. That's what I started doing now, y'all. Well, that's what I'm gonna start doing. So y'all gonna be like, dang, Keys, why you trailing so tight? That's just how I'm starting to trade now, y'all. I'm tired of, because even on Monday, we were up on trades and we just giving too much profit back, man. I didn't like that. Like we literally, I think Monday one trade was up like 200. I was off stream though. Up 200 and let it come all the way back down to the stop loss. Like, I was like, heck no. If anything, I'm gonna go to break even or I'm gonna start trailing tight. I gotta go back to my old way, the old Keith ways, man. Gotta go back to trailing them tight stops tight, cause how this market been lately? It'll make that trend, but it's literally pulling back instantly, like, and it's just market just been too not consistent with its trends, I guess you could say. So we got a nice close past this high, this hourly high. So if that should show us that we potentially want to start moving up. I'm looking for an uptrend above 27,573. I'm looking for an uptrend above it. Uptrend above it, then I'll take that long right back to wherever high it is. Well, we probably ain't gonna have no high because it's gonna be the first uptrend, but I'll just take the loans off of it. So that's what I'm waiting on. And my bad, Discord. I was supposed to send y'all that signal, man. But that was more. That signal wasn't. That was more impulse trade. I gotta give y'all an actual good signal. So once I see a pullback and stuff, I'll give y'all a signal on Discord. It's gonna be M&Q. And we up $64 off that trade. I seen we were up one something, but y'all seen I was trying to trail. So we took 64. It might just keep shooting. It is what it is. We can't get in off of. We're not getting in off of all green candles, man. If it just keep pushing hard, it just does. I'm not getting in off of that. I'm gonna wait on the pullback. And that's another thing I want to address. I sent out the signal on Monday, and so I'm gonna read it now. It say Monday. Oh, it say M&Q longs entry at 27,359 through 27,300. So of course we want the pullback. TP. I put TP where it's supposed to be. TP 1 and 2 and 3, and stop loss. The thing is, I don't know if I want to set my signals out like that because my signals be dependent on if we make an uptrend or downtrend at them levels. Like, say if I say, oh, look for entries at right here, this green line at 624. Man, that mug is shooting up. I just can't do nothing with it though. I wish I still was in it. I was trailing tight, but it's okay. I probably should have set my stop here. That's probably what I did. Did I set it here, y'all? I can't even remember. On the retest of this hourly high. That's usually how I set my stops because I be like, I don't want no retest of it. That probably was my fault. I probably just trailed too tight, but it's okay because we probably been up 200 off that one contract right now. But what I was saying though, so say if I say signal buy it right here at this green level. When I say that, you gotta kind of know our entry model for the G.F.T. or at least have your own entry model. Cause just cause it come down here don't mean I'm finna buy. You know what I'm saying? Cause if it's just coming straight hard, it's making that downtrend. I'm not finna buy it. I'm just looking for this area, but I'm more so looking for it to reverse off the area. You know what I'm saying? Once it reverse off the area, that's when I'm ready to get in. So it can, if it come down and start pushing back up, then that's probably when I'm trying to get in. I'm not really trying to get in just off it just come straight down to it. And I was like with the signal that I sent out, some people might not know that because Monday it came down to it, and if you just bought it, it ended up stopping you out. But if you waited on the uptrend, you made the trade was perfect. You know, dang, we ain't getting no pullback yet. What's going on now? The mud just pushing that hard. Give us some type of pullback. Dang, we might get the pullback here. Get flip, get chill. I don't know why that dang TikTok got that dang song in my head, man. I know y'all know that song when he said, what he say? Well, she be on my line, and then but a beat. Something like that, bro. I don't even know who he is, bro. I just heard this. Heard it on TikTok, I think. And then the thing is, I played the song like I was like, okay, let me put it in the car, cause that when you really be finding the song like, okay, if I put this in the car and the bass hitting and everything, I know it's fine. Man, I played that mug in the car, it was alright. It sound better on the clip to me than on the actual, unless YouTube Music gave me the version that ain't got no bass, cause it ain't had no boom boom, none of that. It just was the beat was hard, but I ain't had no bass in it. I said, dang, come on, bro. Man, that mud just running, bro. We ain't even getting no type of entries. They know they dirty and they kick me out. Can't do nothing about it, man. Just gotta sit here and wait. Cause I'm not chasing. No, we're not chasing. And it's Friday. Let me go look at that. Go look at that dang monthly and weekly real quick. Weekly definitely gonna be bullish. I already know it. Yeah, it's bullish in the mud. Let's see the monthly real quick. How these drawings real quick. I will gladly take $100 on today. I ain't gonna be mad at it. Oh, yeah, cause it's like last month was a nice huge green counter. We do got a bottom wick and pushed up. That's cool, but I feel like that wick too little. I feel like it want to come down some more. I don't know though. Maybe it don't, but I kind of feel like it would want to come down lower than that. Cause that's a real small wick. Unless we just really finna just keep pushing higher and leave a big old fair value gap. Put a yellow line there, a purple line. Cause I would think we want to come back higher than that. I mean, come back lower than that. That's what I would think. I think we want to come back below here, but I don't know. We gotta see. We still haven't had no dang pullback. What the world? We ain't even got a one red count on the 1 minute yet. Oh, here we go. We might get one. Might get one right here. Bruh, come on now. Y'all ain't gonna get us no pullback. It's just gonna keep going up. Get here. Get here. Dang, but we would have ate. Matter of fact, I can see how much that would have been. Give me a second. I'm finna see how much that would have been. We was only in one contract, but we still finna see how much that would have been. Cause I don't feel like doing a dang math in my head. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Never mind. I ain't even finna see how much it is. I'm just finna watch these charts. Dang, but that mug is shooting up. Give us a pullback charts. He ain't trying to get no entry, bruh. It just want us to take a chance. And I'm not finna do that, bro. I'm not taking that risk. Man, we'll go watch somebody live stream bump it. I ain't finna do that. Go try to find live stream something to watch. Oh my, bruh. I would've made like 3, 4. We probably be up 400, huh? Why they doing a dirty like this? What we got? We got in like right here, like 650. So that's what 120 points. So one contract. I know I got that mug wrote down. We're gonna find it. We're gonna see how much it is. I know I wrote that mug down in my journal. This is crazy. Well, my boy caught it too on his stream. Yeah, and we gonna find your red channel. What I'm about to do? Oh, see how much? My bad, y'all. I'm tripping. I'm gonna getting distracted watching my boyfriend. Oh, we got our first red. Here come pullback, y'all. Here we go. We're finna get a potential entry. Get flipped. See how far down this one come. Oh, so we only would have made 240. How that's only 240? We was up like one here. Was I in one contract? Cause we took like 100 right here. Oh no, that's about right. Yeah, that's about right. Cause we got in at 650, 50 points, and then another 60. Okay, so that's about right. Never mind. I was about to say how we only been up 240 on it. All right, let's see this uptrend gonna keep going, or is we finna come switch back to the downside, or will this uptrend go? That's what I'll say. Oh snap! 845 is coming, y'all. We finna have to wait and see. It could shoot us all the way back down. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Get flip. Yeah. She be on my life. Dang, what the 845 news finna do? Shoot up or go down? I'm thinking go down, but I don't know. It might shoot up. You never know. I probably gotta wait till that 1 minute counter close though. I'm gonna be scared. If it shoot up, I'm gonna go long stops right there instantly. Oh, it's coming down. I said I think it might come down, y'all. Might make this pullback for the downtrend. She be on my line. We finna see though. We finna see. I don't think the news hit just yet. Gonna give it some time. I think that pullback coming, y'all. I need this counter close red and I'll get in shorts. Close red. 22 seconds. I'm gonna grab these shorts. Stop's gonna be at the top of that high. 12 seconds. Look like it's gonna close red. 10, 9, 7, 8. I would rather for it to have closed below that previous low. We're gonna wait. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait on it to come take that low one more time. Come on, take it. Don't just do no hard drop real quick. I'm gonna be mad. Alright, we waiting. I ain't finna get in off of that. I needed to get back sweeping lows again. We do got a 5-minute gap here. So they can hold us up. Oh, we sweeping the lows while I'm talking. Go to the 1 minute. Oh my goodness. Top step. What the world y'all doing? Okay, let's see. Close past that low, please. Close past the low, please. See if we can come back down here. Get a retest of that. If it break this trend, it just break it. She be on my line. Low, high, lower, low. We're gonna set at these highs right here. We got a downtrend. Got a downtrend. Let's see if it's gonna hold. See if the downtrend gonna hold. It's only a 1 minute downtrend, so you gotta be careful. And it's still a lot of time for this 5-minute candle to flip back green, so could fake us out. But I don't think it's gonna fake out. I think it's gonna come back down. You know what I'm thinking? I wanna add. We're gonna add one more. I think we're gonna come back down. All we need is a red 1 minute candle without taking these highs. They take them highs, it's gonna kick me out though. I think this is gonna be the red candle. Come on. We got 30 seconds. This looking like this gonna be the red candle though. Let's see. We getting kicked out. It look like we don't get kicked out, it's gonna stop right here at this. It's gonna be the red counter right here. This might be the drop right here. We just need this red counter. Go take them dang lows. Come on back down here. Take these lows. I'm not adding though. I'm not adding. Come on, take these lows. Once you take these lows, I'm gonna bring stops down and profits. Well, it shot up. Dang. That mug came right up. Let's go long. Stop at this low. We down 43. That ain't that bad though. We make that back. See, we close past these highs. We did close past the highs. Okay. Did close past the high. Let's add one more. Once we sweep that high, I'm bringing stops up. Add one more. All right, one more. So we at 3. Just waiting on to sweep that high. If we close red underneath there, then I gotta get out. Gotta get out if we close red underneath there. She be on my line. Oh snap! Look like we about that to cut. I'm at least cut 2 of them. 3. Alright, I'm cutting 2. I don't like that red counter. I'm gonna cut all of them. We down 100, but I don't like how it came back inside here. It might come right back down. It's being tricky. Market trying to play. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait a little bit. Wait, let this 5 minute counter close, either green or red. We only got 2 minutes. Or if we make this uptrend. Waiting. Cause I'm thinking this trying to play around. We gotta wait. Cause look at this 5 minute, y'all. Look how this 5 minute playing around. This could be an uptrend. It could be flipping back red and still pulling back. So we're gonna have to wait it out a little bit. Wait it out a little bit. I didn't like it closing back underneath here. I wanted it to be a base above them highs. But since it didn't, I gotta leave it alone. Okay, green counter. At least bring us back up. Let's see. Or is you gonna make this downtrend and come back and retest this 5 minute? We got 1 minute for this 5 minute counter too. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. What you gonna do? Is you going up or down? It's like higher high coming. Gonna wait. 29 seconds. 22, 21. Try to wait it out because it can literally flip back down on us. And we got that 9 o'clock news. So we gotta be careful. Did close green, but it didn't make that higher high, so I can't get in. Can't get in yet. Alright, it made that higher high now. Let's try to see. Can we get a run? Can we get a run here? Try to wait it. It was a huge push. Hopefully it don't come all the way back down. Please go retest them highs one more time. Let's go one more contract. Come retest this wick high. That's all we need. Retest that wick high and I'm good. Don't like that it don't got a bottom wick yet. Okay, it's pulling back. Okay. I got to close off a red candle because I want that retest of the high first. Come on, come on. Green candle, green candle. Not trying to see no downtrend come. But we at least close 2 of them. We not risking that much. Okay, still was green. Come on, go retest that dang high. See, that's the thing. I'm looking at my QQQ. It's a red count on QQQ. So I don't know who to go off of. That last 1 minute counter was a red counter on QQQ. What the heck? How is they two different looking charts? I don't know if I should go off of QQQ or MNQ. Because this is a green doji counter. But I'm going to show y'all the chart in a second. After we figure out what we're going to do right here. They trying to set me up, man. They trying to set me up, bro. If it go take that high, I'm good, though. Go take that wick high, man. I'm going to go and cut. Because I don't know what it's trying to do. Look at this, though. This is what I'm talking about. It's confusing, bro. This is a red counter. We got green, red, green. On M and Q is all green. So I would think we'd still keep going up with M and Q. But I don't know with this thing. I'm going to go back long. We just going to get one. I think it's going to get that high. I think we're going to get that high. But we just going to do it one contract for now. I think we do take this high out. Alright, we add. It's at break even. I think we do take that high out. It's just taking a while, though. You gotta be careful because it might sweep it and come right back down quick. So we gotta instantly put stops up. Alright, it took it. We setting it. 31. Yeah, flip. Push, push. One more time. Alright, so we only down 21. We were down 120. Now we're only down 21. I can't get in now. I mean, I could get in at the break of this high and just see if we can get a continuation. Oh, it's 8:59. No, I'm not getting in. I'm not getting in. I just thought about the news coming at 9. I'm gonna wait. I was about to press buy if it broke that high, but I gotta wait. It's 9 o'clock. Heck no. That mother might pull back crazy. It was 9 o'clock. I said no. I'm glad I just glanced at the timer, bro. Because that would have been a mean drop on me. Yeah, flip. Yeah. Now, it might come back with this high, but I don't know if it's going to close past yet. Come on, man. We trying to leave. I say we walk away with about 150, 200. I'm good on the day. Walk away with that, and we gonna go and call it. So we get about 30 more minutes. So we can get 150, 200 in these 30 minutes. We gonna go and call it. We got a red counter, some type of pullback. See what we got coming up. I am up pushing up already. It got close green though. It really got close past that high for real, for real. If it close past that high, I get in. If it don't close past the high, I can't get in. I at least need to close past it. I don't even want to get in off of just breaking that high. No, I need to close past. So they got close past this high for me. Man, it's crazy how SPY and QQQ ran today, man. That is crazy. Alright, so it did close green, but I really want to close past. I could get in one. Let's get one. Come on now, what this lag doing? Oh my goodness, it lag like that? That's crazy. Stops right there though. Yeah, it's crazy how that lag was. This market just going straight up. What the heck is going on, bro? Like, when we gonna come down? Hopefully not while I'm in the trade though. But it is crazy how this market pushing. Close past that high. Come on. Oh, y'all ain't gonna close past the high. Come on now. Crazy. Why they doing me like this, y'all? Them playing. Sweep this high and close past. I'm gonna be ready to bring stops up here. Yeah, flip. Yeah. Come on, I need this counter right here to close past these previous highs to the left. Gotta be this counter. This counter don't do it, I probably gotta go and cut. This counter need to be the one to do it. Push up. Push up. About to cut. You want to close pass. Alright, look like it's closing pass. Look like we got the close pass. And once it sweep that high, I'm gonna bring stops at the bottom of the counter. Dang, it swept the high. I can't even tell what that little wick. We gotta set it. Yeah, it swept the high. Man, that little weak, I barely even seen it. They would have caught somebody. Alright, so we only down $17. That must barely, I ain't even see that little weak. Come on, we finna be back at break even. One trade, we back at break even. That little weak, boy, what type of, what's auto scale? Log. I don't like how my QQQ and NQ don't look the same when it comes to the counter colors. Like, why the heck? I got some red, some greens with these NQ and QQQ. I don't like that, man. It should be on par with each other. Look at this. Y'all see this? Same things. But this one red. This one. It is right. Really just that one messed up. Then you go back over here. Got a couple of them messed up. Here. This. This one red. This one green. I think I'm just gonna go with my futures charts. But usually they be the same colors. I don't know why they're doing that today. I mean, they trying to finesse. They trying to set somebody up. Alright, we got a 5-minute gap here. Maybe we get this retested 5-minute gap. If we close red. Yeah, flip. Yeah. I'm waiting. Y'all. I'm waiting. See, we get a green counter right here. I take it back up to the high. Green counter here. Yeah, 24 minutes. 24 seconds. I said minutes. I know somebody bought loans on Spine QQ. I know they paid today. I'm talking about stupid paid. Like, this stuff went from $6.80. It almost went $10 on the day. You know what? And it's a Friday. I know you got paid good. Now we got a green count. Let's see if it's gonna push back to them highs. That's what, $36. We're gonna push it higher, but as soon as it take them eyes, we bring it stops up. So one contract, we ain't doing all the extra. Just cause I don't trust with this QQQ. Cause on QQQ, I got a lower low. It's not a lower low on here, but on QQQ it took this low, which is a red counter. So that's technically broke the uptrend. So I don't know which one to believe, QQQ or MNQ. But we finna find out. We finna find out right here. Who do we trust? QQQ charts with TradingView or Top Step MNQ charts? Who do we trust, y'all? We finna find out right now, cause it ain't no gaps or nothing here. So if it come down, make this lower low, that means it's following MNQ chart. It ain't following QQQ chart. I mean, it's following QQQ chart, not MNQ. If we come down here, and that means I'm gonna base my trades off of dang QQQ. Bump that dang MNQ charts. So it better go up, make that high. If it don't make this high, we ain't top step. I don't know what y'all got going on with y'all charts. Y'all trying to finesse. I'm gonna base my trades off this dang TradingView charts. I promise you that. Cause y'all trying to set me up. If it close red, I'm bringing stops right here because I don't want no downtrend forming. Alright, look, I'm about to bring stops up because I don't want no downtrend forming. Alright, stops right there. So we only risking 50. Cause look, let me show y'all one more time. Look how these charts look different. That's why I say I don't know who to trust. Cause it's a lower low here. You see that? We got a low, high, lower, low. Potentially lower high if we make another low. But on here, we didn't never make a lower low. We got just a low, high. We don't got no lower low, so it's technically an uptrend on top step charts. Still an uptrend on top step charts. That's why I'm saying it's. I don't know, TradingView wrong or is top step wrong. But one of them wrong. We gonna find out. And if TradingView wrong, it might just be wrong because of my own settings that I did. Like probably some settings I had back in the day that never updated or something. I don't know. We gonna find out though. It's consolidating, I know that. And that 5-minute close red, oh snap, it's dangerous right here, y'all. The 5-minute close red. 5-minute close red, y'all. Come on, push up. Push up, take that high. Cause the 5-minute close red, we needed to push up, go take that dang high. Go on up there, bro. Cause we in the danger zone right now. 5-minute close red. Like that. Cause it show got a 5-minute gap right here to retest. It close red, I gotta bring stops up. Alright, stop right there. I don't want to see no downtrend at all. So I don't care if I get started out too early and it push back good. I don't want no downtrend to go straight up. Alright, we out. So we done lost $29 right there. We got out because I didn't want to see no lower lows form. And it made a lower low. It made low, high, lower low. So that's not what I wanted. I'm thinking we potentially could come retest this 5-minute gap now. So that's why I got out. I think we potentially can retest that 5-minute gap. If it pushed straight up, it just pushed up though. But I ain't want to see that. I didn't want to see downtrend form. Only way I could get back in these longs, we gotta close past these highs up here. Gotta close past these highs up here. Did close green. We gotta come back past these highs and try to close past though. And then I'm gonna call it today once we down 200. Even though my loss limit set at 1,000, I'm gonna just get off at 200. Okay, we push past that high. Let's see if it's gonna be that push back to the highs. They get on my nerves if they whip me out though, but it's okay. It look like it is the push. Like that push past the high. We're gonna bring stops up. Did we break it? No, we didn't break it yet. I don't think. Add one more. We didn't break it just yet. Add one more. Alright, this candle should be the one that pushed past. 38. So a stop loss would be $38 once it breaks. You just wait on the break. Come on, bro. Literally. And I know I hate it's so dang close. I can't even tell if it's breaking. Okay, we know it broke right there. There we go. $42 stop loss. Well, we took the $42. Dang, I was trying to hold it longer, bro. We're gonna get in again if it closed past. We'll get back in if it closed past. If it don't close past, we're not getting in. Well, actually, we probably gonna wait because the 5 minute only got a minute left, so we're gonna wait till the 5 minute close past the high. So we only down $10 on the day, bro. We gotta make 210 so we can get off, bro. We would have made 240 if we wouldn't trail our stop at the beginning that close. But it's okay, bro. I'd rather trail my stop close than it would have been down if it would have reversed on us. So, but we definitely, where was it? What we got in? Right here. Man, we would have made our money and got off. It's alright though. It's cool. All time when you at all time highs, it's best to trail stops than it is to try to just hold it and try to let it ride. At all time highs, take your money. That's what I say. Take your money when we at all time highs. Okay, so we got our uptrend going still. This uptrend is still strong. Need another gap above this blue line though, so I want to go long because we need a gap. Unless this mother want to consolidate, but we need some type of gap above this blue line. So if we get another green, I think go long off the green 1 minute. I think. But we're gonna wait. Cause I might want to get in off of just a green candle push past this high. Cause technically that'll make we got lower low, higher high. Yeah, we need an uptrend form. It did make a higher high, but we need like this most recent session need to be an uptrend. And it's not right now, so gonna wait it out until it's gonna make another high because it might just come make that lower low, and I'm glad we didn't get in because that's a higher high with a lower low. It make that lower low. That means potential consolidation. So they need to push up here. This should push up right here if it want to go back up. Probably could have caught along and just set our stop super tight. But I'll just wait till a green candle at least. At least a green candle. Green candle don't mean it's gonna go up there though, but at least it'll be in our direction. Okay. Like it's gonna get a green candle, but it's super tight. We'll go long because it is a green candle. We set the stop here. It's only a $20 stop. $20 stop. We looking to make probably like 120, but I'm gonna just set it up here at 200 in case it just shoot all the way up. see this 1 minute gap here. Maybe this is gonna be what rejected to make it come down if it can't push through here. So we need to at least see it close. Come on, 1 minute, close up inside there. It closing red, that's gonna be bad. But like I said, we only risking 20. Really want to see it push back up inside there. Closing red. Look like get out. Yep. Get out, get out, get out. All right, we cut it before we lost the 20. So we only lost 17 there. Okay. I seen it. I was like, it closed red. They're gonna be a rejection out that 1 minute gap to bring us down. I said, oh heck no, I'm about to get out. I seen that mud. We got a downtrend going, y'all. Got a downtrend going on the 1 minute. Downtrend going on the 1 minute. I would go short. We want to see it close past them lows. I want to see it close past these lows. Just as it made. Oh, we only got 1 minute for the 5 minute. I'm going short. Only got 1 minute left. Unless somehow this 1 minute shoot all the way up. Yeah, I'm going short. I ain't know we only had 1 minute for the 5 minute left. Unless somehow this 1 minute push all the way back up. I like these shorts. That 1 minute push all the way back up, and it is what it is. But I'm in these shorts. And it is pushing up on us though. Oh snap, here we go. The one thing I said, unless it do this, I'm still holding these shorts though. We're gonna hold these shorts. We're only risking 40. Now they know they wrong for this. I'm a huge green counter. I really wanted it to stay below here. But it is what it is. It probably retest this gap again. As long as it don't go to the other side of the gap. I'm gonna grab an extra one. If we go to the other side, just go to the other side. I want to see this drop right here. If it go to the other side of the gap, it is what it is. I want to see that drop bring us down here. Need a red counter. Come on, turn red, turn red, turn red. Close in there, I'm gonna manually close. If it don't stop us out before then. Come on. We need a red. We need a red. Oh snap, look like I gotta get out. Come on. Okay, this next one can be red right here. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm gonna grab another short. I think we're finna drop here. All we need is the next one to be red. Oh heck nah, nope. I don't like that. Let me cut. I ain't wanted to take that dang high. I ain't like you taking that high. I wanted that high to beat the stop loss. I was just about to bring stops down. It took that last counter high. I said no, let me cut it. Let me cut it, man. I'm glad I did, cause look what happened. Hey, they ain't trying to show no love today. We consolidating. I told y'all we probably was gonna consolidate at that 5 minute. We starting to consolidate. I'm still with it. I think we still can get a nice trade. I still see us potentially getting a nice trade. We just gotta wait this out. It's trying to chop right now. You gonna break this high? Mama clicked on. You waiting, 'cause we ain't got no type of trend, bruh. It's consolidating. Yeah, it's coming right back down. Woo. Chop City, come on, bro. I'm trying to get out these charts. All we need is one decent trade, and we can get out these charts, bro. Uh-oh, what's going on? What we getting? What we getting? We finna push up. We got 1 minute for this five. I mean, a minute 30 seconds for this 5 minutes. If 5 minute close green, I'm going long. Yeah, this 5 minute close green, bro. So if it wanna try to push down, it better push down now, cause I'm going long if it close green. It better drop hard on this next 1 minute counter if it don't want to go higher. Cause to me, it look like it's trying to go higher on this 5 minute. It better drop hard right here. Cause I'm finna go long, bruh. I'm finna go long. Even if it just take this high, I'm going long. Stay playing. 40 seconds. I'm going long. 30 seconds. If it close in this gap though, I ain't going long. I ain't going long. It close up in there now. Cause it's Chop City. It's trying to finesse something. Alright. That shit close past the gap. Yeah, I ain't touching it. It did close green on the 5 minute, but I wanted to close above that dang 1 minute gap. Heck no. They look like they trying to chop on me. I ain't finna mess with this. It might come all the way back down, make a low. Yeah, I ain't taking that. I'm not taking that trade. I needed that one to stay above that 1 minute gap. I'm thinking we might drop all the way down for real. Do we got a 1 minute gap sitting here? Unless it make a higher high, I don't really want it. I need some type of trend, bruh. I'm thinking it's trying to come down, take these lows out though. I just hate that it's chopping like this, bro. Come on, it's just starting to chop. I'm thinking drop, bro. I think we're going down. It closed below this gap. I think I'm gonna grab a short. I'm gonna at least grab one, I think, and set my stops at the highs. Maybe even grab two. I'm thinking it's want to take them dang lows out. But you really can't tell. You don't really know what it's trying to do when it's consolidating. Dang, I just thought so. I still ain't get y'all. My bad, y'all. We signal group. We doing it next week. I'm gonna figure out how I want to do the signals, bro. I might do it next week. We did one on Monday, but we're gonna do Monday and Friday next week for sure. Cause I'm on here. I gotta remember to even put something out. And on the signals group, I think I'm gonna only do 5 minute call outs. I ain't gonna do y'all on the 1 minute like that. Make it a little simpler for y'all. They out here playing with these trades, bro. Come on, man. When I tell you them a straight consolidating, we could have been out earlier, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But they Ain't no telling though. I wouldn't known not to bring my stop up this tight and, and seen it running some more. So I can't even be mad at that. But dang on. Come on, bro. Y'all taking all day. Okay, here we go. It's gonna make a downtrend. What it's gonna do? Got 2 minutes for the 5 minute counter, bro. Come on now. What we doing? Getting money. What we doing? What they doing? Hating on us. Yeah, money record. Weezy the boss. Come on, man. We just in between two 1 minute gaps. I said it goes below this gap. I'm gonna take a short. Set my stops at that. That ain't high. Yo, man, bro, I got stuff to do today. I mean, I said I cut it. And once we go down 200, we only down 80 though. I get off at $200. Cause like I said, we made 7 yesterday. I ain't risking. I'm only risking 200 at 7 we made yesterday. Okay, look like drop here. Okay, top up here. I think we got 15 minute gap. I might want to try to go inside that 15 minute gap. Yeah, it's right here. It's only $43 though. Let's pull back and see. 15 minute. We had any red candles yet? Nope. So it's a chance we might break this gap. Let's bring that down there. The chance that we might break the gap. We gotta close inside it though. Okay, we got our first 15 minute red. Okay. We gotta see if we can close in that gap. So I gotta remember when we get down here, trail my stop tight. Trail my stop tight when we get down there, bro. Because it might bounce on us. Might just bounce on us. Cause I've been staring like my daddy. Staring like my daddy. Yeah, stunner. Alright, come on, bring stop down. It's finna tap it. Okay, it tapped it. $30. It probably kick us out here, but it's okay. Oh, come on, close inside there. Yes, sir. Close up inside there. That's that 15 minute gap. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 15 minute gap. It might come down here to this 1 minute gap. Maybe. Might could take it down to that 1 minute gap. It's almost there. Uh-oh. Hold up. I really don't want to retest this 15 minute gap. I could set it here. I don't want to set it there though. I'm gonna keep it up here at 30. I mean, there's only 13 more dollars. So I'm gonna keep my stop loss at 30. I need us to come touch down here. It closed green though. I definitely gotta bring my stop down. If we get a green count, I gotta break it here. Come on, close below this low. Ah. At least I got more than it coming back there. I said if it closed green, I gotta bring it down. All right, come on, close back red. Close back red. Close back red. Close back red. I take another short. But it's only gonna go down to here or to these lows. That's the thing. Oh, they trying to play. Might not even be able to hold these shorts for long, bro. Why they pushing? Come on, go back up, go back up. 26. I'm gonna grab one now because it's already halfway there. don't close below there, I gotta get out. Well, I ain't gotta get out. I just keep my stops up here. Come on, close below it. Okay, it closed below it. That's good. All right, next wick lower. Let's grab another short. All right. Oh, they ain't give me a chance to move the stop loss. Come on, wick down one more time. One more time. Come on, take that low. Oh, they ain't give me a chance. They probably finessed me right here. Dang it. It wick so dang fast, I ain't even get a chance. We probably finna get kicked out. They probably got me. They probably got me. I'm gonna give it some time. Dang, they probably got me. Dang it, dang it, dang it. What that 5 minute look like? Yeah, they probably got me, bro. Unless we can get a red candle here. We need a red candle. Red candle gonna do us justice. Oh, snap. Take the low. Yes, sir. Take that low. I'm about to set it. Try and give it a couple seconds. All right, we setting it. Up 30. Yes, sir. Okay, that's all I needed right there. That's all I needed. 25 say it might come back and kick us out, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is if it come back up. Come on to the white line. We don't even know what this white line is, but go down to it. Just go down to it. So we're gonna be up on the day if we get stopped out. Look like we is. We did. But we up on the day. Let's go. I grab one more short because it did close below that low. I mean close below the gap. We in two shorts. Once it sweep this low, I'm bringing stops to $20. Come on now, sweep the dang low. Let me set the stop at $20. Well, it ain't gonna be 20. If it close green, oh my goodness. You better not close back inside that gap. I have another sale. It better not close in that gap. Come on, drop now. 14 seconds. I swear, if you close in this gap, go ahead and take that low now. Y'all here playing, bro. There we go. There we go. Oh, snap. Bring stop down. Bring it down. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my. We done for the day. 183. It's close enough to 200, bro. Should we try to get to 200 or we should call it, y'all? We would have had the 200 if I would have pressed sell down here, but I knew I wasn't gonna be fast enough to go over to the right. I knew I wasn't gonna be fast enough. We like retesting this 5 minute gap here, possibly. I could take one contract. If we close past this low right here, I'm gonna take that one contract. Maybe that'll give us our last 20. Come on, bro. All right, we gonna take it. Oh, I know y'all ain't. Okay, I don't care. It should go down there now. It should, bro. I know you lying. It should be going down there now. We ain't got no. Oh my goodness, we got a gap right there, bruh. I know you lying. It finna close green on me. Come on down there, bruh. We got a whole gap right there. Let me mark the gap out. I know you lying, boy. And we ain't even close past the gap, bruh. I'm gonna cut this mug, bruh. Come on, close past the gap. Go down to the 5 minute. Go. Go. You almost there, bruh. There go. I was about to say we got stopped on that 1 minute gap. I was finna be mad. I'm like, bro, it's at the 5 minute gap, bro. I was about to say we got 206. We done for the day. But I was about to say, boy, cause it might reverse here. It's a 5 minute gap. Man, this dang 1 minute gap. Cause I was like, bro, I don't see no gap, bro. We should go straight down. 'Cause I was like, bro, as long as we close below the low, I'm gonna take it down to the gap. We closed below the low. Okay, clear. I ain't see this because I was in charts like this. I ain't even see no 1 minute gap here. Man, I go over just an inch. Boom, 1 minute gap. Boom, we ain't even close past, bruh. I said, I know they ain't finna reverse on me, bruh. If they would have reversed on me right now, I would have been so mad, bruh. For $20, I would be mad in the mud, boy. But I think we possibly reverse here because it's a 5 minute gap here. It might reverse here or consolidate, whatever. But I'm done. We're done, man. We calling it with cool little 200. I want to say we starting to be a little bit more precautious with our trades. Man, what? I'm about half heart attack, boy. I ain't gonna say. Let me tell you. But I was finna be mad, bro. It would have bounced on me off that dang 1 minute gap, bro. And we were trying to get $20 more, and we was finna. I was down like 40 on that trade, $60. And we would have lost $100 off that trying to get $20. Been mad, boy. Boy, I would have been so mad, boy. But we gonna go and call it. Y'all have a good one. Your boy Keith is out. Peace.